matrix multiplication. A into B, A 3 4 5 0, B 1 2 3 4. So first number, this one, 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 4 into, I will mark it into, that is better, 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So that is our first step. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. Clear? First row into first column. First row. This is the first row. First row into first column. First row into first column. So 3 into, which one? 3 into 3 into 2, 3 into 2 plus then
4 into 4.
4 into 4, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4 is our second step. Next will be what? 5. Second row. Second row means we want to write here. Second row, first one, 5 into second row, first one, into
column.
first column. First column. So 5 into 1 plus then this one. I will mark it as into. Which one? 0 into 3. 5 into 1. Second row into first column. Second row into first column. So 5 into 1 plus 0 into 3. 5 into 1 plus 0 into 3. Then next is what? Next one. Look at the step 3. Look at step 3. Look at step 4 will be what? Second
row, second column.
Second row into second column. So 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus
0 into 4.
0 into 0 into
0 into 4.
0 into 4. So how can we write this? This one is what? First row into what? First row into
First column.
first column. First row into first column. Then next this is what? This is
First
what?
row into second column.
First row
Second column.
to second
Column.
first row into second column. Then this one.
Second row into first column.
Second row into first
column.
column. Then this one is what?
Second row into second
Row
column.
into second column.
Second row into second column. So how can we do this? 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 3 is 12.
12.
Then 3 into 2, 6 1 face there, plus 4 into 4, 16. 5 into 1, 5.
5.
0 into 3,
0.
0.
then
0.
10
10 plus 0.
10
plus 0.
0. So this will be what?
0.
15.
20.
20.
22. Then
5.
5.
5. 10.
10.
Oh, that is the answer. Okay. A is equal to 3 4 5 0. B is equal to 1 2 3 4. Then find A into B. Question is find A into B. AB is equal to, write A first, 3 4 5 0. Then B as 1 2 3 4. The next step is what? Matrix. Tell me. You have to tell me.
First row by first column.
The number you want to say. Number.
3 into 1.
Okay. Okay, do slowly.
Plus 4 into 2.
Slowly and do slowly. 3,
Allah.
4.
3,
4 into 3.
3 into 1. Okay. Plus 4 into
4 into 3.
4 into 3.
4
3.
into 3. 4 into 3. For first or second question, so take your pencil and just tick that if needed means. Up to this clear? Then next,
Yes.
then rub that.
3 into 2
3 into 2 plus 4 into
plus 4 into 4.
2 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 4. I think it is clear. 4 into 4. Girls, clear now? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next is what?
5 into 1 plus 0 into 2.
5 into 1. 5 into 1 plus
0 into 2.
4 into
0 into 3.
4 into 3. Now itself committed mistakes, no?
Oh, ma'am.
Unknowingly we are thinking about this too, no? 5 into 1 plus 0 into
3.
next is what?
5 into
5 into
5 into 2
5
plus
into 2
0
plus
into
0 into 4.
not 4 into 0, do it as 0 into 4. Both answers are correct, but don't make mistake. 0 into 4 you have to do. 0 into 4. 0 into 4. So, next will be what? Simply multiply.
3 plus 12.
3 plus 12. And here,
6 plus 16.
6 plus 16. Then
5 plus 0.
5 plus 0.
10 plus 0.
10 plus 0. Next,
15,
15, 22, 5.
5, 10.
5, 10. I think it is clear. Example 8. A is equal to negative 2, 3, 4, 1. Then B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. So first we want to find AB and BA. Is AB is equal to BA? That is our question. Check whether AB is equal to BA or not. Or otherwise we can say that AB and BA are satisfies the commutative property or not. Commutative property means AB is equal to BA. If AB is not equal to BA, it is not commutative. That is, conjugation is not commutative. Answer will not be same. AB is not equal to BA. That we will get. So first we want to find out AB. AB. How can we find AB? AB. Negative 2, 3, 4, 1 into 1, 2, 3, 5. So first find it.
negative 2 into 1.
The AB and BA. I know. That is better. Find AB and BA. So we can do it together, no? Tell me. Girls also please respond.
Negative 2 into 1.
Negative 2 into 1. Negative 2 into 1.
3 into 3.
Which time plus? Plus, that you should. Plus
3 into 3.
3 into 3. 3 into 3. So first row into first column completed. Then next,
Negative 2 into 2.
negative 2. Negative 2 into 2. Then plus
3 into 5.
3 into 5. Plus 3 into 5. This one. 3 into 5. Plus 3 into 5. The next,
4 into 1.
4 into 1 plus 1 into 3.
4 into
4 into 1 plus 1 into 3.
plus 1 into 3. 1 into 3. 4 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Then
4 into 2
4 into
plus
2
1 into
plus
5.
1 into 5.
plus 4 into 2 plus 1 into
Plus 1 into 5.
1 into 5. 4 into 2 plus. So completed this one. Okay. Then multiply. Multiply.
Negative 2 plus 9.
Negative 2 plus 9.
84 plus 15.
Negative 4 plus
Negative 4 plus 50.
4 plus 3.
4 plus 3.
4 plus 3.
8 plus 5.
8 plus 5. Next answer. Negative 2 plus
7, 11, 7.
7.
11,
11.
7,
7.
30.
13. I think you know this. One sign is positive, other sign is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. Same case here also. Sign one is positive and other is negative. Subtract and then put the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 15. So sign of bigger number 15 is positive. So positive 11. Then 7, 11, 7, 13. No. Check the answer. Example 7, 11, 7, 13. Okay. Then next we want to find out the B into A. Write down B.
Muslim, sir.
7, 11, 7, 13. Do it. B into A. Next, B,
What answer?
A. B, A. Got. B, A. How can we write that B, A? Wait. B is what? 1, 3, 5. A is negative 2, 3, 4, 1. So B, A is, tell me.
1 into minus 2.
1 into minus 2
2 into 4.
plus 2
2 into 4.
4 plus 2 into 4. Then next step,
1 into 3.
face the, then 1 into 3. Okay, 1 into 3
Plus 2 into 1.
plus 2 into 1. Okay. First,
Down
second row, it will be
3 into
3
minus 2.
into negative 2.
3 into negative
Negative
2. Negative 2 plus
plus 5 into
5
4.
into
5 into
4.
4. 5 into 4. This in row, first column. Then next will be what?
3 into 3 plus
3 into 3 plus 5 into 1.
Plus
5 into
5
1.
into 1.
5 into 1.
1.
5 into, so which is equal to 1 into negative 2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
One side
Plus
other side is negative multiplication. Negative into positive is negative. If you don't write negative into negative is positive. Positive into negative is negative. Negative into positive is negative. Positive into positive is positive.
positive.
So you should remember this. 1 into negative 2. Then plus
Plus 8.
8.
4 into 2, 8. Next 3 into
3
1.
3.
plus 2.
3 plus 2.
Here
Negative
Negative 6 plus
20.
20.
20.
9 plus 5.
9 plus 5.
Then
Answer 6, 5,
6,
14,
5, 14, 40.
14.
5.
6, 5, 14,
14,
40.
40.
14.
Here also.
14.
40.
AB we got it as what? AB.
7, 7, 11.
7, 11.
7, 11, 7,
7,
13.
13. 11, 7, 13.
BA we got it as now.
6, 5, 14, 14.
14, 14.
Both are different now. That is
14, 14.
AB is
AB not equal to BA.
A. AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. That is matrix multiplication is not commutative. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. Commutative means it should be equal. Here AB is not equal to BA. So we can say that matrix multiplication is not commutative. 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 Okay. Question. Evaluate if possible 3 2 into 2 0. Evaluate 3 2 into 2 0. So how can we do this?
Answer.
So what is the answer?
3 into 2.
3 into
3 into 2 plus 3 into 0.
3 into 2 plus
2 into
0.
2 into
0.
0. So which is equal to
6.
plus 0,
0.
which is equal to
6. 0.
6. 6. Order of 3 2 is 1. How many columns are there?
2 columns.
2 columns. 3 1. This is another column. 1 by 2 matrix. 1 by 2 matrix. 3 2 is a 1 by 2 matrix. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
What about 2 0? 2 0 is a 2 0. Order of that matrix 2 0.
2 by 1.
2
By 1.
2 rows. Then 1
Column.
1 column.
1. No. 2 by 1 matrix. Okay. So if you are multiplying 1 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 1 matrix, 1 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 1 matrix, we got the answer as what? 6. Simply 6. 6 is a order of matrix 6 is order of matrix 6, answer 6. No. Order of that matrix is what? Tell me.
1 by 1.
1 by
1 column. So which is equal to 1 by 1. So if we are multiplying a 1 by 2 matrix by a 2 by 1 matrix, we will get the answer as 1 by 1. Center will be same. Then starting and the ending will be the order 1 by 1. So I will give you one example. Suppose A is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is a 3 by 5 matrix. So answer will be A dash matrix. Order of that matrix. Answer
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
same 3. So 2 by first one 2 by 5 matrix. Answer will be a 2 by 5 matrix. So next I am writing suppose 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Suppose. What is the order of that? Can we do that? Since this is not same, we can't do that. We can't do the matrix multiplication there. Okay. 1 negative 2, 1 negative 2, next negative 2, 3, negative 1, 4. 1 negative 2, negative 2, 3, negative 1, 4.
Finish.
First, second one. Now we discuss no. 1 negative 2, then negative 2, 3, 4.
3 of
1 4.
So answer will be what? 1 into girls. 1 into
1 into
negative 2
Plus
negative 2
negative 2.
negative
plus
2 into 1.
negative 2 into
Negative 1.
negative
Negative 1.
Okay. Girls understood now?
negative 1.
Next.
What's the space out?
1 into
1 into
1
into 3
1 into
plus
3
negative 2.
plus negative 2
plus
into 4.
82 into
Negative
82
2
into 4.
Negative 2 into 4. So
4.
will be
Negative 2.
Negative 2
into 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus
This one, negative
2 plus 2.
Negative
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
plus 2.
3 plus
3 plus
3 plus
negative 8.
8.
Negative 8.
Negative 8.
3 plus negative 8. Is equal to
0.
0.
Negative 5.
0, negative 5.
so then here
Negative 5.
Negative 5.
8. So that is 3 minus 8 is equal to
Negative 5.
negative 5.
Yeah.
0, negative 5. Okay.